Today I'm gonna make some oven baked ribs for you. I don't know about you guys, but where I'm at, it's constantly raining. So therefore I cannot turn on my grill all the time. So, anyways, I got these ribs on sale from Kroger and they were like $8. I think there's like some pork ribs. You see me sprinkling lemon pepper, some garlic pepper salt, which the garlic pepper salt, y'all, is from the Dollar Tree, and you guys are sleeping on it. I'm talking about sleep. Add some brown sugar. I'm using this rack because I like to put water and vinegar under the bottom to kind of steam it. I am going to cover this up because ain't nothing like some dry ribs. Put in the oven. Now, halfway through, you want to check your ribs. Like, you want to pull those babies out and you want to see how tender they are. You also want to put some cuts in them just because the leftover liquid, it gets to steam up in the ribs. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce and some sweet and sour sauce together, okay? It makes a great sauce. It makes you want to do a little shimmy. Then I'm about to lather these ribs. So you lather them ribs like you lather a baby's bottom with some lotion, okay? I like my ribs saucy. You don't have to do them saucy. They taste great, not saucy. I'm going to place them back in the oven. Then I'm going to baste again. For full details, you can go to my blog, www.lifelemonscake.com. See you there.